So hello guys, this is the fourth video of matrices, and today we'll discuss about some questions, okay, related with the matrices, and I'll show you how to solve the different types of the questions that comes from the matrices. All right, so let's get started. So this is the first question. It says if matrix this into this plus 2 into x is equals to this matrix, then find the value of x. Now what we do is, here also we use modulus, okay? So these two we have to multiply. So we know how to multiply, okay? We take row into column, alright? So row of the first matrix and the column of the second matrix. So if you multiply these two, first with first, so 3 into 0 is 0, plus second with second, 7 5s are 35, alright? Then we have to multiply with this one also. So first with first, 3 2s are 6, plus 7 3s are 21. Now we'll repeat the same thing with this one. So first with first, 2 into 0 is 0, plus 4 into 5, second with second is 20. Now we repeat the same thing with this one. First with first, 2 2s are 4, plus 4 3s are 12. Alright? Plus 2x is equals to 1 minus 4 minus 5 and 6. Alright, now so 0 plus 35 is 35. Now 0 plus 20 is 20. 6 plus this is 27, and 4 plus 12 is 16. Alright, plus 2 into x is equals to, now 1 minus 4. Okay, now from here you can do it very easily, because in the second video also we discuss about this type of question. Okay, so 2 into x is equals to, now if we take see, it is like it is a part of algebra only. So what we are finding, let's keep it at one side, and this matrix let's take it to other side. So this will be your 1 minus 4 minus 5 and 6. If we take this to this side, keep this in mind, the element inside the matrix will remain same, its sign won't change. Okay, now since here we have plus, now we have to write it minus. So this will be your, let's do it here. So this will be your 2 into x is equals to, now first with first, so 1 minus 35 is minus 34. Then minus 5 minus, so minus 5 minus 27 will be, so this will be your minus 27 plus 5 is 32. Alright, then third with third, so minus 4 minus 20, minus 4 minus 20 will be minus 24, and then 6 minus 16 is minus 10. Isn't it? 6 minus 16 is minus 10. Now, so x we have, now where will this 2 go? 2 will directly go down. Okay, so this will be a minus 34, minus 32, minus 24 and minus 10. Now where will this 2 go? So 2 will directly go down. 2, you just divide all the element by 2. Okay, so x is equals to, so remember scalar multiplication that we did in the second video. So this is minus 17 minus 16 minus 12, because we can easily cancel this one. Yes or no? No, minus 5. So this is the value of x. So this is how we solve. So let's take the second example. It says if A is a matrix 2 0 minus 1 7, and I is an identity matrix. You know what is identity matrix? In the first video we discussed about this one. Identity is also called unit matrix of order 2 2. So I is equals to, what is the unit matrix? The diagonal will be 1 1 and the other element will be 0. 2 2 matrix means that. And this is given. Now we have to find the value of m. Alright, so let's do it. Now A, let's put the value. So A is 2 0 minus 1 7 square is equals to 9 into 2 0 minus 1 and 7 plus m into 1 0 0 1, isn't it? Now if you look at this one, now if you have if any matrix is given 1 2 3 4, and if we have the square of that matrix, now it doesn't mean that we're taking the square of each element. Now what does it mean? If a matrix and a square is there, then it means that we have to multiply the same matrix 2 times. Okay, so if we have a matrix, and if a square is there or a cube, then it doesn't mean that we are multiplying or we're taking the square of each element inside. Now what does it mean? We have to multiply the given matrix 2 times, or if it is cube 3 times, or if it is 4 times. Alright, okay. Now this is where so many students will do mistake. Okay, so if square is there, it means that we have to write the same matrix 2 times. Alright, so I'm repeating it once again. Square doesn't mean that we're taking the square of elements. So some of the people, they write it this way: 2 2s are 4, 0 0s are 0, 1 and 7 7s are 49. This is wrong. So we are not finding the square of each element inside the matrix or a box. Alright, so it means that square means we are multiplying the given matrix 2 times, or if it is 3 3 times, or if it is 4 times, and so on. Okay, so this is equals to 9 into, so we can directly multiply. 9 2s are 18, 9 zeros are 0, so this is minus 9, 9 7s are 63, plus m, so we can multiply this also, m 0 0 and, alright. Now let's multiply this. So we'll multiply row and column. So this is the row, so 2 2s are 4, first with first, plus 1 zeros are 0, okay, the second with second, so 2 zeros are 0 plus 7 zeros are 0, isn't it? Then we repeat the same thing with this one, first with first, so minus 2, so plus 7 into 1 is 7, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus will be minus. So sign plays a very important role. So when you multiply, actually this is the rule to multiply two matrices, but the calculation, when you do any calculation, board mass is very very important. So you have to follow the board mass. Alright, so here why minus? Because actually it is plus, but when you multiply 7 1s are 7, plus into minus is minus, so that's why it is minus. Alright, now repeat the same thing with this one. 1 into 0 is 0, plus 7 7s are 49. Alright, so this will be equals to 18, 0, minus 9 and 63, and plus m 0 0 and m. Alright, or what we can do is, since we are finding m, so let's keep m this side and let's take this to this side. So if we take it to this side, this will be minus. Alright, so this will be equals. So what I did, this I took it to this side. Now keep this in mind, when you are taking a matrix from one side to other, the sign inside the matrix won't change. Alright, so if you look at this one, the sign inside the matrix, it won't change, it will remain same, but this sign will change. Alright, so here is plus, so this will be minus. So this is let's do the calculation here only. So 4 plus 0 is 4, so 0 plus 0 is 0, so minus 2 and minus 7 will give you minus 9, so 0 plus this is this one. Alright, now let's do the calculation here. Alright, now so 4 minus 18 will give you minus 14. Alright, so 0 minus 0 is 0, then minus 9 minus 9. So if you look at this one, minus 9, minus into minus will give you plus 9, so 9 minus 9 will give you 0, and 49 minus 43 is 49 minus 43 is minus 14, isn't it? So this is minus 14. So this will be equals to m 0 0. Now if you equate the elements, so equating the elements on both sides. Alright, so what we can conclude, m is equals to minus 14. So this is the answer. Now let's move on to the next example. It says evaluate. Evaluate means we have to reduce this into a simplest form. Now some trigonometric ratios are given. Now what we need to do here is we are multiplying these two matrices, but first we need to find, we need to put the value of this trigonometric standard angle. Now if you don't know the values or how to find the values, then please go through the videos on trigonometry, so where I have explained you how to find the values of all the standard angle. Okay, trigonometric standard angle. Now So this will be a 4. Now sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 2 into cos 30 is 1 by 2. Alright. Sine 90 is 1 and cos 0 is 1. Now since 2 is there, 2 ones are 2. Alright. Into 4, 5, 5 and 4. So this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. So we'll get 2, 1, 1 and 2 into 4, 5, 5 and 4. So we'll multiply the two matrix. Okay. So row into column. So 2, 4, 2s are 8 plus 5 ones are 5. Yes or no? First with first plus second with second. Then we repeat the same thing with this one. 5 2s are 10 plus 4. First with first and second with second. Now we repeat the same thing with this one. First with first. 4 plus 10. Second with second. Then first with first plus this one. So 13, 14, 14, 13. So this is the answer. Alright. So let's move on to the next example. So this is a special type of sum. Okay. Now, if 2, 1, minus 3, 4 is a matrix into x is equals to 7 and 6, now find the order of the matrix x. Now if you look at this one, this is x. Okay. So first we need to find the order of this matrix. Alright. So what we do here is, the rule is, let the order of matrix x be A cross B. Alright, so the order of this matrix is A cross B. Now let's write the order of this matrix, which is 2 cross 2, and the order of this matrix is 2 cross 1. Now see, this is the rule. Now in mathematics and some of the problems, if you know the pattern, then it will be easy for you to do it, okay, in examination time. So you just see, note it down, okay, all the terms or the rule or the step, okay, so that will help you to remember it for a longer period of time. Alright, now so the rule is, what we do here is, whatever we are finding, it depends upon the middle value. So this is the middle value, this is on the right hand side, this is on the left hand side. Now this A is on the left hand side, A is on the left hand side, this will go left side, and B is on the right hand side, this will go right side. Now see, to find whatever we are finding, okay, whatever is given, this type of question, what is important is the middle value, the order actually, but let's take it as a middle value. Now this value we have, and right hand side we have this one, and left hand side we have this one. Okay, now A is on the left hand side, this will go to the left side. B is on the right side, this will go to the right hand side. Now this B will go to the last value, and this A will go to the last value on the left hand side. So now what is the value of A? A is 2, and what is the value of B? B is equals to 1. So therefore the order of this matrix is 2 cross 1. I am repeating it once again. Alright. Now whatever we are finding, alright, it depends upon the middle value. Now A is on the left hand side, this will go left side. B is on the right hand side, this will go to the right side. Now where will it go? Last value, both last value. So the value of A is 2 and B is 1. So that is the order of matrix A. So that means we got the first answer. Now what kind of matrix is 2 cross 1? It is someone like this, but we don't know what are the elements inside. Okay, so in number 2, what we do is, let the matrix X be, we know 2 cross 1, let's write X and Y. So somewhat like this, but we don't know what is the element. Now let's put it here. Alright, now this is the rule. So if you know the rule or the method, then it will be easy for you to do this. Now let's put it here. So this will be your X and Y. Now let's multiply row into column. So 2 into X is 2X plus 1 into Y is Y, and this into this, so minus 3X plus 4Y. First into first plus second into second. Alright, now if you look at this one, 2, 1, 2, 1. So we can easily equating the element on both sides. Then we can directly write 2x plus y is equals to 7. Let's do it here. And minus 3x plus 4y is equals to. Now we can solve it simultaneously to find x and y. So let's do it. So let's multiply this with 3, and let's multiply this with 2. So 3 to the, let's do it here. 3 to the 6x plus 3y is equals to 21, and this is minus 6x plus 8y is equals to 12. Alright, so let's take it. 6, 3, 7 3 is 21, 6, 4 to the 8, and 6 to the 12. Okay, now this will be, will get cancelled. So 11y is equals to 33. So 11 3s are, so the value of y is 3. Alright, so the value of y is equals to 3. Now let's put this value in equation number 1. So this will be a 2x plus y is equals to 7. So 2x plus 3 is equals to 7. So 2x is equals to 7 minus 3. So this will be 2x is equals to 4. So 2 2s are 4. So the value of x is 2. Okay, so matrix X will be your 2 and the value of y is 3. This is how we solve. Okay, so let's take another the same type of sum. Okay, in which it will be more clear. Okay, now if you look at this one, first we are finding the order of the matrix. So what we do, let the order of matrix M be A cross. Alright, so this will be your A cross B. Okay, now this is your 2 cross 2, then this is your 1 cross 2. Alright, now to find the order of this matrix, we have to write the order of all the matrices whatever given. Now in the last example, I told you that whatever you are finding, it depends upon the middle value. So here also we take the middle value. Now this is on the left hand side and this is on the right hand side. Now where will it go? Last value, now last value. Now the value B is equals to 2. Now what is the value of A? Now what are the remaining value? A and 1. So value of A is 1. So order of this matrix is 1 cross 2. Clear? So this will go left hand side, this will go right hand side. The 2 2, so we are finding A. So what are the remaining? A and 1. So A is equals to 1. So what kind of matrix is it? Somewhat like this. So now this is number 1. So in number 2 what we write? Let matrix M is equals to X and, because 1 cross 2 is a matrix somewhat like this, isn't it? Now how to solve it? Now let's put that value here. So this will be your, so M is your X and Y. So this is your 1 0 1 2 is equals to 1 and 2. Now we do the same thing, multiply this into this. 1 into X is X plus 0 into Y is 0. Then this with this one, so X into 1 is X plus 2 into Y is 2Y. Alright, so we can easily find X and Y here, isn't it? Now X plus 1, so X plus 0 is X, so X is equals to 1. Now let's take this one, equating the element on both sides is equals to 2. Now X is 1, let's put it here. So this is 2y is equals to 2 minus 1, so y is equals to 1 by 2. Alright, so this is here 1 and 1 by 2 is the answer. So let's take another the same type of sum, okay, in which it will be more clear. Okay, now if you look at this one, first we are finding the order of the matrix. So what we do, let the order of matrix M be A cross. Alright, so this will be your A cross B. Okay, now this is your 2 cross 2, then this is your 1 cross 2. Alright, now to find the order of this matrix, we have to write the order of all the matrices whatever given. Now in the last example, I told you that whatever you are finding, it depends upon the middle value. So here also we take the middle value. Now this is on the left hand side and this is on the right hand side. Now where will it go? Last value, now last value. Now the value B is equals to 2. Now what is the value of A? Now what are the remaining value? A and 1. So value of A is 1. So order of this matrix is 1 cross 2. Clear? So this will go left hand side, this will go right hand side. The 2 2, so we are finding A. So what are the remaining? A and 1. So A is equals to 1. So what kind of matrix is it? Somewhat like this. So now this is number 1. So in number 2 what we write? Let matrix M is equals to X and, because 1 cross 2 is a matrix somewhat like this, isn't it? Now how to solve it? Now let's put that value here. So this will be your, So M is your x and y. So this is your 1 0 1 2 is equals to 1 and 2. Now we do the same thing, multiply this into this. 1 into x is x plus 0 into y is 0. Then this with this one. So x into 1 is x plus 2 into y is 2y. Alright, so we can easily find x and y here, isn't it? Now x plus 1, so x plus 0 is x, so x is equals to 1. Now let's take this one, equating the element on both sides is equals to 2. Now x is 1, let's put it here. So this is 2y is equals to 2 minus 1, so y is equals to 1 by 2. Alright, so this is your 1 and 1 by 2 is the answer. Alright, so today we have discussed about some of the example, okay, and the step, and so today we discuss about the step, okay, or the method involved while solving the questions related with the matrices. All right, so I hope with this example you'll be able to do the exercise. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any queries, so please let me know. Please comment that.